Hey guys, it's Froggy. Welcome back to part 3 of how to code a 1.8 Minecraft tech client. In this one, I'm going to be teaching you how to add the flight mod. So the first thing you have to do, go to new, add a new package, name it Froggy, your hack client name, dot mods. Then to make it easier for you to know where the module file is, just drag and drop that into the Froggy that mods. Just update reference to module.java. Just click OK. Because it's moving some of the code in it so it does not bug out. The next thing we're going to do is click new, class, then name it flight. Well, it's currently, we have to make it extends the flight thing, so we're going to have to do extends module. I think I spelled right. The next, click add constructor flight string. Whenever you make a mod, this is what you're gonna have to do. Okay, for me, let's do. Okay, so this you can delete up top here, and to do auto and delete that, and then here. So we define it as NM is the name, K is like the keyboard button, and the C is like the category. So we're gonna name it flight. Now for the keyboard, you're supposed to keyboard dot key underscore F. Let's do, and then input keyboard. Now let's do category dot movement. Let's do the on disabled. So public void on disable MC dot the player dot cap abilities dot is flying equals false. Then do super dot undisabled. Undisable. Now let's go back to like if it's enabled. So let's do public void on update. If this dot is toggled, then MC dot the player dot capabilities dot is flying equals true. If MC dot game set next is supposed to do. So basically what this is gonna do, what we're doing right now, if you click spacebar, it will make you go up faster. That is keybind jump that is pressed. Then it's supposed to do this, which MC that the player that motion Y, then a plus sign equal sign 0.2. So yeah, basically if you click the spacebar, it would go faster upwards than normal. You can change that whenever you want. Next, let's do. Now we're gonna do it if you hit the shift, like how do you sneak. We're gonna make it go down faster. So empty that game settings dot keybind sneak. Yeah, sneak. I believe. Yeah. That is pressed. Now let's do that. Then MC dot the player. I just had a brain fall off, so I was so confused. Motion Y, then plus equals 0.2. next we're gonna do if MC dot game settings dot keybind forward that is pressed, then do MC dot the player dot capabilities dot set fly speed. Let's make a variable. Okay, at the top here, underneath the. Let's do. Okay, this is gonna be. Let's label it flight speed. Then public static float fly hack speed equal 0.1 f than that. And right here, where this is, let's do fly hack speed. At the very bottom, just add super start on update. I'm pretty sure that's right. Now let's save it. Okay, so now we go here in the public Froggy, then display that set title like in this area. Underneath mods equals new array list. Do add mod and parentheses new flight. Then that. We're gonna have to input it. So input Froggy from that mods. Let me. This will be the easiest part. So instead of doing this flight, just change that to a star and just delete the module. What this is going to do, whatever mod you add here that is in this package, it will automatically be like remembered about it. So now we can just save it. Let's launch up the game to see if it works. It might take a while, but yeah. Now that I have mine up, let me turn off the music sounds, the music, because nobody likes that, to be honest with you. So I didn't want to be listening to that. Let's launch it up. As you tell, like that one thing I added, your name of the client and like the versions right there. Okay, to see if it works, okay, we're in creative, but like, let's go to game mode S. Now if we click F, we should be able to fly. You still take fall damage because we haven't made the no fall hack yet. But that's gonna be it for the video. Make sure you hit sub to be notified when the next hack client tutorial is out. Well, thanks for watching part 3. Part 4 is coming to you soon. See ya.